I really want to encourage you guys to get a year ahead. I'm telling you, when you have a year's worth of your expenses saved, there is some kind of confidence that you feel just for however many months I have saved. Plus, I've earned interest on my money. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes. Woo! Yes. Today we've got good vibes because we're going to jump and save for a year ahead. So let's get started. Shawoom! Okay. So how much money are we saving today to get a year ahead? Let's see. Let's count it up. We got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, $136. Okay, so this won't be long. This will not take long, but we are saving in this cute binder is from Busy Lizzie. All right, so let's see. 1, 2, 3. Saving $2. So what we do is we scratch off and then we go and save money into the savings challenge. So we're doing a scratch off and a savings challenge. All right, so this savings challenge, we save $2 plus, let's finish this line here. So 5, 10, 12. So that would be a total of $14. So we would say 10 and we would take this 14, but it looks like I can cash condense. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So let's put all this back and let's say $30. So we got $30. This is for my car payment. I need more than $250, but that's all right. That's what we save it for right now to get a year ahead. It's $250 plus whatever is in this envelope, okay? Now, eating out. Let's do this. Eating out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got $4. Plus each of these is 2. So we're saving 4. And then let's say 2, 4, 6. So that would be $10. Plus we have 10 here. So we're going to put $26 for eating out. So this will save us, I don't know how many, but this is a cute savings challenge. I think I got it from Save with Judy. Okay. Uh-oh, which way are we going? Car payment, eating out. Now the gym. So let's just save here. $7. We don't have to save that much for the gym. 7 plus, we could do $3 and make it 10. 1, 2, 3. Each of those is $1. So we got $10. So we got 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's grab a 5. So $15 for exercise, which is the gym. Household. So 6. Each of these is 2. So, no. The buckets is $5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. $15. We are saving $15. So 10 and 5 is 15. But let's see, what does that leave us? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we could just put this back and grab a 20. So we got $35 for household. Alright, so this is going to save a lot more money because I made these buckets worth $5. So this is also Save with Judy. Save with Judy. Gas and parking. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So we could put 5 in. So 21 for gas. I want to get through these subscriptions. So that was 7. Let's do 8, 9, 10. So we're going to put $10 in. So now we have $20 in subscriptions and memberships. Cute butterflies. So this is self-care. Oh, we're going to put some money in self-care. We got to get to $250. So 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. So that would be $20. So we got $20, $30, $45. $45 in self-care. Car insurance. $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. So $8. So we have 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18 in auto insurance. This is a big one. I should have made this more because our auto insurance is expensive. If you have a teen driver, you understand. Okay, so last time I did not get to business at all as far as scratching off. So I want to scratch off. We want to scratch. So let's see. Oh man, just $1. $1 plus, let's see, 6 and 3 is 10. And 12 is 22. 22. Alright, we'll come back to this maybe. Alright, so we're saving $22. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1 and 2. $42. Not bad for business. $42 for business. I did save some money offline too, guys. Homeowners insurance. So we need to do a scratch. Let's do this. $2. Let's see. Each of these is $1. So we got 2. But the big one is next. So let's see. There we go, $15 for that one. And so now we're gonna do $7. So 2, and then I'll do 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do 4. So that's $6. So $6. There's a method to my madness. 5, 10, 11, 12. $12 for homeowners insurance. All right. The last one is the big one. Oh no, I have another one, miscellaneous. I keep thinking the last one because the last one is groceries. Okay, so let's scratch, see what we get. Oh, $9. And each of these is worth 5. So we're only doing this. 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are not doing this right here. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Thanks to the scratch-offs. Okay, now we're at groceries, which is the big one, but I am not getting an IOU, y'all. And each of these is worth $5. Oops, so I have $2 extra. Do I want to take the chance and scratch? Because I can mark off one of these grocery bags. Okay, so that's $5. So we got $45. Nope. $45. Miscellaneous, that was $5. Homeowners insurance, which is one. I want to add maybe money to business. If there's one for $2 here. Yes, $2. Right here. $2. Ta-da. We are golden. Living my life like it's golden, golden. All right, I'm getting it here in the back. But it's really important, guys, to try to get first a month ahead and then 2 months ahead. Just do it gradual. But there's, man, this feeling of security knowing that you have this money saved just in case something happens. Now, a lot of the experts say you should at least have 3 to 6 months saved. But I saw my girl on Queen's Budget, and she had a whole year. She was working on 2 years. Anne Marie, yes, you got to go check out her channel, Anne Marie. I'll put her information in the description so you can go and get inspired by her, because she's like 2 years ahead. It's nothing wrong with watching channels where people save a lot of money. It motivates you and inspires you. Next thing you know, you're saving more and more money. Don't watch people and go, oh, they're out of my league, I don't want to watch them. No, you want to watch the channels that push you, because you'll never know what you can do if you just push and just stretch yourself just a little bit more and a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing, stretching myself a little more and a little more and a little more and a little more. All right, guys, if you like this video and you want more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Ooh, bye for now. Love you guys.